On the following page, page 38 on English skills, the title is You Can Do It. And you have a really easy activity here, just to practice our words. In each of the boxes below, the word from the list is written in a strange way. Write the word correctly in the box on the right. You have an example, and if you notice, it looks like if it was a mirror, and you have the word backwards. So on the right side of the box, you have to write the correct form of the word. Okay? So it's really easy. I know you can do it really quick. Now, after you finish this exercise, you have a teamwork activity at the bottom of the page over here. And we don't have other classmates with us at home, but you have members of your family. So if you have the chance to invite them to play with you so that you can practice your words, perfect. Try to do it. Okay? Now, we're going to next page, page 39 on vocabulary section. And there are some riddles there. So what you have to do is to find the word from the word list to answer those riddles. Okay? Now, before you start this activity, I want to show you some images just to review our words. Okay? I'm going to find the words over here with pictures so that I can show you better the word's meaning. Now, if you look at this picture, what word comes to your mind? Remember, we're talking about words from lesson 3. What is the word? Zigzag. Very good. Now, if we pay attention to this picture, what word comes to your mind? Terraces. Terraces is the word, okay? If you have to go to your word list to remember what the words are, do it, have them there with you, and try to guess the word. Now, what word has to do with this picture? Mysterious. Very good. Mysterious. Now, let's go with the next image. This looks like a strange sound, like if it was a recording, right? So the word is chugs, okay? Chugs. What about this image? Is that an archaeologist? I don't think so. Is that a scientist? So this picture is representing the word craftsman. Okay? Craftsman. Let's go with the next one. That's really easy, right? A scientist. No, not a scientist. What is it? An archaeologist. Okay, so this picture is representing the archaeologist. Now let's go with the next one. What about this image? It's someone giving a key to another person. Imagine you are giving your house keys to someone else. Who would you give your keys to? I would give my keys to someone that I can trust on. So this picture represents the word trusty. Now let's go with another picture. This is quite simple because I'm giving you a super clue over there. So this picture represents the word, do you know which one? Probably, okay? Remember, probably, saying that that something will probably happen. We're talking about the chances for that to happen, okay? So, probably. Now, let's go with the next word. What about this? What sport or what activity do you think is represented by this image? Hiking. Very good. It is hiking. Now, we have some other pictures here. What about this one? It looks like someone is trying to guess the future. So, trying to guess the future, can you relate that with a word from the lesson? I can. So the word is predict, okay? This image is representing the word predict. Now let's go with the next one. You have the word over there, okay? So we have a comparison between three important verbs: see, think, and wonder. So wonder, okay? When you ask yourself questions about something, you wonder, okay? That's the word. Now what about this one? Take a look on your lesson 3 words and try to find a word that is related with this image. Did you find it? Foreigners. Foreigners is the word for this one. Okay? They belong to different countries. They are not from here. They are from different places. So they are foreigners. Okay? Let's go with the next one. Okay, so we have different status here from the shortest to the what? Highest. Okay, so the word here is highest. Now let's go with the next one. Since we already know that this is not an archaeologist, I'm pretty sure you know what the word is, right? Scientist. So this is a scientist. Let's go with the next one. This is quite similar to the word hiking, right? But right here we are not representing the activity, but we are representing the word as a verb. So, trek. They trekked a long way to the mountain. Okay, so the word here is trekked. Let's go with the last one. What is this? It's not a castle, but it is a fortress. So if you want to be protected, if you want to be on a secure place, you can build a fortress. So this image, maybe we can think about medieval times or something, but this is representing the word fortress. Okay? So now that we had a quick review of the words, I think you are super ready to answer these riddles. Okay? Now, at the end of this page, you have a game zone too. The same, if you have the chance to do it at home, please do it. If not, just try to review your words using the images I gave you and following the activities that I shared with you too. Okay? See you on the next activity.